If you would like to know about this hair and see how I installed it, just keep watching. Hi guys, it's Tiffany Elizabeth and I am back with another video. Don't mind my hair because in this video I am going to be unboxing this new wig that I just got. And this is just a bag that my local beauty supply store gave me. It's just crazy because like I really have had so many different wigs that I've gone through, and I have not really done that many wig review videos. Matter of fact, I don't think I've ever done a wig review video before. I need to probably start, but the reason being is because like literally every single time I buy a wig, it's like last minute because I don't feel like doing my hair or something, or I just feel like switching up my look right quick. So like I'll buy a wig and then I'll like put it right on my head, so I don't have time to really unbox it and do a video. But today I had time and I went and got this wig to wear for later, so I was like, let me just go ahead and record a wig video. I guess the brand is called ITSAWIG. I've never heard of that before, but this is like the box that it comes in. And this is a 360 all-round frontal deep lace wig. So it's like, so that means that I guess the lace is all over. So if I want to wear it like up in a ponytail, up in a bun, I can do that. And I can like part it any kind of way. So that's really cool. It makes the wig more versatile. So I really like that. It has light baby hair on it, and that's like really just a thing now, I guess. But I think that's really cute that it has like little baby hairs on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it says that it is a human hair premium mix. So I'm guessing it's mixed with like human hair and like, I guess synthetic. I don't know. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me do it like, I don't know, I'm trying to make it to where y'all can like see. So yeah, this is what it looks like when I open it up, and the hair is already falling out. I got it in the color 1. The hair comes with care instructions, which is really nice to have. And they also come with, what is this? The hair also comes with like stickers, which I think is pretty nice. So it can be nice and secure. I'm not sure how many like inches this is. Does it not say? I guess it doesn't say how many inches this is, but doesn't really matter. All right, so now I'm just like taking everything off. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is the front of the hair, and you can already see like the little baby hairs right here in the front. So it'll make it look a whole lot more natural, and you can't even see the lace. Like, I love how it feels. It feels just nice and soft. Also, the wig has 2 clips in the front, and it also has a clip in the back. So yeah, the brand is called ITSAWIG, and they do have a website, which I will link in the description box below. Here I have like just a wig cap, and what I'm going to do with my hair is I'm going to pull my hair back into the tightest ponytail that I can get it in. Because I really have some chunky braids going on right here. So I'm going to just try to pull my hair back as much as I possibly can. Because the tighter you can pull your hair back is the better that the wig is going to look. Because you don't want like, you don't want to see your hair just lumping underneath your wig. Like, it's not really, that's not a good look. What did I just do with the hair scrunchie? OMG. Oh, it's right here. It even has baby hairs like in the back of the hair also. So I always flip my wigs upside down, like with the front, like in the front of my head. And I'm just gonna put my head in there. I always use my clips. Some people don't use their clips, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my clips. And yeah. So this is what the hair looks like. I have not cut the lace yet, obviously, but I am going to cut this lace off. Some wigs, literally the moment you put them on, you can already tell if it's gonna like shed a lot or not, but I'll like update you guys on this wig and let you know if I get a lot of shedding. But so far, like, the hair feels really, really good. Like it actually feels like 100% human hair. So that's what I really like about it. It's super soft. This is the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace on camera just to show you guys how I cut my lace. Of course, you want to turn your wig upside down because you don't want any hair in the way, because you don't want to cut the hair off of the wig, obviously. So you just start, I start pretty much wherever, and just you want to make sure that there's no hair in the way when you're cutting the wig. Now, I don't know if y'all can see that. You want to cut as close to the hairline as possible, like probably about like right here. You want to cut as close to the hairline as possible, but you don't want to cut it too close, because if you cut it too close to the hairline, you can mess up your entire wig and have the hair falling out. So you don't want to you want to keep the wig intact. So just make sure you're not like cutting too close to the hairline to where the hair will come out. So this is a little more difficult than I thought it would be to record. So yeah, you can see the hairline obviously, and you see the lace that I'm holding. So I'm gonna cut probably like right there. See, like that. Cut the lace off, and then the hairline is right there. And I left a little tiny bit because like you're not gonna be able to see that much lace, but I think that for me is pretty good. I don't even know if y'all can see that or not, because it's so like, the hair is so natural looking that you can't even tell it's a wig, which is a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of the lace off camera. I just wanted to like show you guys how I did it, and then I will come back later and show you guys how I style my hair for the day.